Back YouTubers to another video. Today is a super exciting day. I always say that, but today is actually an exciting day. We got this freaking package right here. Alright, hold up. Peter, give us a message right now. Shocked. We're shocked right now. That's the word of the day, shocked. But you guys see right here, we got little goodies. We took a big risk because it just came straight off eBay. But we took the damn risk, you know, and let's see how good this is going to be. But Flacco, tell him what it is right now.
eBay's pretty reliable. I mean,
tell him right now what it is.
I ordered a metal gate for my.
Oh yeah, he did order metal gate, and actually came in.
It came out good.
It came out pretty good, you know.
Yeah. All right, so right here we got a flag,
banner,
flag or a banner, whatever you want to call
it's
it.
feather flag.
Feather flag.
Tell him how tall it is.
It's approximately like 15 feet. Pretty tall. So you won't even fit in here.
No, we're gonna do it. So excited for this. You know, we actually been planning to buy one of these a couple years back, huh? Yeah. But I think right now is the time. You know what I'm saying? It's time for us to make moves. Nobody's gonna do it for us, so we gotta make moves ourselves. So
It's like a different
we're gonna open this up. I'm super scared because I don't know how the quality is gonna be.
And it's just giant t-shirt.
Alright guys, we're gonna open this up. Get to this unboxing video. A feather banner flag from eBay for about 200 bucks. We got two of them. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully it's a good freaking deal, because that's it, boys. Ooh. Lay on the floor. So it came with the stands, tire stands. So this is gonna go on the tire, and you put it on the pole. Look at this. Oh my god. Open it up, Peter.
That's huge.
Open that shit up, boy. Dude.
Like this.
Oh my god, I think it's massive.
Damn. That's huge.
Dude. Boys.
You could not cut the little, that's okay.
It's alright. I mean, it's kind of hard to fit, but dude, that thing is massive.
Dude.
Tell me they're not going to see that from far out.
Fuck yeah.
God, that's freaking huge. Oh my god.
Not bad.
The quality is unreal, guys. This thing is...
Look at the stitching. Stitching's pretty nice.
Look at this, guys. We can give you a little... We're gonna give you a little review on these
This is like a printed fabric.
on these flags that we got from eBay, guys. I'm telling you, it was $100 bucks.
Wait, this ain't sponsored either.
This ain't sponsored. We took a risk. We rolled the dice, and look what we got. It's a one-sided print, but it's a see-through print, so you can see it from the other side. There's a double-sided for like $140, but that's too fancy for us right now. We're not ready yet. For one, we got two of these for $200 exactly. And the coolest part, guys, is that it comes with some badass stands that, like, you pretty much sit your tire on. Let me show you right here. Stands here. You see this? Comes with these stands, which your tire is gonna sit right on it.
For stands.
Stands to make her dance.
Stands. So that's the greatest part about this, that it comes with stands included for $100. If you try to buy these on regular websites on Google, one flag would run you $300 for one printed side. But guys, we got two of these freaking things. I'm freaking pumped up, guys. Tell me in the comments what you guys think. I think it's a big investment for the team. You know, we got this one. Little details matter when it comes to car shows, you know. And this thing makes it look more official. I'm gonna show you how to set these things up, which we have no idea because it has no instructions, but I'm pretty sure it's obvious.
But we should not do that too big, huh?
You have to do the whole thing.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn, you're gonna see it
From a mile at least.
That thing's huge.
It says that.
Paul, give me a review right now. What you think?
I think it's pretty fucking big.
And if you guys are ready for that, guys, Flacco will hook you up with the graphic for the flag. He does the custom graphics for you.
Graphics.
You know what I'm saying? He actually did all that in the computer, so he made that logo, a 15-foot logo. Quality on this. It's pretty bright too. It's not faded up or anything.
Yeah, pretty good. Ready?
Dude.
Look at this.
What do you think?
Yeah, you got it too big.
Yo, it doesn't beat the price for $100, bro. You can't find anything smaller for $100. Bro, that thing is massive.
That's sick, man.
Damn, boys. Damn. That's a perfect size, dude. Dude, that thing is huge. I'm just gonna leave it out here every day. You guys can see this big fires going on in Washington. Pray for Washington, guys. It's pretty nasty out here. But anyways, back to the video here.
What do you think?
But damn, boy, that thing is massive. Holy fuck. What do you think?
Bring your car out here.
Is this a good upgrade or not? Because this thing looks fucking sick. We can finally see our name up in the freaking air. Addictive, boys.
You can't beat the price.
Can't beat the price, guys. I'm telling you guys, for $100, you guys get a deal of a lifetime. I don't know if I should be greedy with you guys and not put the description down below, but you know, I'm cool with you guys, bro. I love you guys. Everything we do, we're gonna hook you guys up to, you know what I'm saying? Might leave the description down below. If you guys want to buy a flag, if you want Flacco to customize you a logo for it, he does that job too. But let's get it, guys. Tell me what you guys think. Smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe down below, boys, because we're always bringing out them bangers. And look at this. Look how it weighs. Look at the background on this freaking view, guys.
Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys. He's gonna pull this car out so we can have a little good thumbnail picture, just to get a better idea how it looks. You're good. Alright guys, this is how we have it right here. I'm gonna air this bitch out. Go! Yes, sir. That's badass. Looks sick.
Did you hit it?
And quick.
Let me go in the comments what you guys think. How it looks right there. That thing looks fucking amazing.
Makes the car pop.
That shit looks sick, fool.
We just have to have the white wood.
This is like a dream come true, guys. I've always been wanting one of these flags for the longest time. I think now our car's look pretty good for it to be well deserved for this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, tell me what you guys think in the comments because this thing is fire, man. This thing looks so sick from far out. It's freaking massive, guys. Damn. So there you guys have it, man. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button, man. What we did here was pretty cool. We took a risk and it actually came out pretty freaking badass. It's gonna be dope. 2021, guys, I'm telling you, be expecting a lot this year. Guys, don't ever be afraid to take risks. Cause look, this is what happens there, you know what I'm saying? All right. Have a safe weekend. Stay positive. Stay active, guys. And like that,
We're out.
we're out. Peace.